Can somebody tell me why the weather is so disgusting? Is it because I made plans? This is the sky, guys. Hey guys! So I'm here with Ashma and it's Sunday, and today we are having this really nice, pretty much girls beach picnic. Beachnik. This beachnik today. We've been planning this for a while, but obviously like COVID. So we're just gonna take you guys along with us. So we just picked up Amanda. Hi. And we have all the picnic happiness going on in the back there. So go. We decided to picnic at Champagne Beach, and for those of you who have never been here or thinking of visiting Dominica, this is a beach with some beautiful coral reefs and it's definitely known for snorkeling. It's pretty rocky but still beautiful. Alright, let's get the party started. So the first thing we did, we set up our picnic table. You can see Ashma here laying out some towels, and then they started to put out all of the platters and the food and the drinks and everything, and just watch this come together, guys.
Hit them, you hit them.
I'm just taking pictures for the video. This is a video I'm taking pictures for. And S10. S10. Okay. Milano. Hey guys, well, yesterday I was in my backyard and I found this wild lily just growing and so beautiful, and I was like, I have to replant it. That's what I'm doing today. Here is said lily, this beautiful. Some of the flowers are kind of dying, kind of wilting, probably from the heat, but here's my pot and hopefully I repot it properly.
The further you go,
promoting through activities, experience, and cognitive competencies.
So much for my plans today. The sky is like, nope. It is 7:15 and I finished my hair just in time because I got really hungry and wanted to go to KFC. Hey guys, the weather is finally okay enough to want to leave the house. So I'm with my mom and we're just gonna run a couple errands.
D-Lo. Hit them, D-Lo, hit them.